What is a router? Routers connect computers and other devices to internet. A router acts as a dispatcher, choosing the best route for your information to travel. It connects you to the world, and it can even decide which computer get priority over others. Why do you need a router? A router helps you connect multiple devices to the internet, and connect the devices to each other. Also, you can use routers to create local networks of devices. If you don't have routers, your data won't get directed to the right place. For example, if you like to print a document, you need a router to help get that doc to a printer, not to another computer or scanner. In the following connection, we have two switches connected to a single router, and then we have two personal computers connected to each switch. Our default gateway is our router. If our PC wants to communicate with machines of another network, this router will help us do that. Switches are used to connect multiple devices to each other in a network.